In this procedure, we will be vertically adjusting the room on a power gear above floor slide out. These are the tools required for this procedure. Make sure to support the room with a jack or lift. Gain access to the vertical adjustment bolts. For this installation, we remove the panel from the slide room. Now, loosen the two carriage bolts just enough to release tension on the interior mounting plate. Adjust room to the desired location. Then tighten the two carriage bolts again before operating the room. Visually inspect the room when retracting. The top of the room should be making contact with the sidewall before the bottom does when fully retracting.